Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn on and off Find My Device on your Google Pixel. This is a crucial security feature that helps you locate your phone if it ever gets lost or stolen, so knowing how to manage it is really important. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer to open up the settings. This is your gateway to all the important configurations on your Pixel device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Security and Privacy. This section houses all the protective features for your device, including screen lock settings, permissions, and device tracking options. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. Next, within the Security and Privacy menu, look for an option called Lost Device Protection. This is specifically designed to help you manage what happens if your phone goes missing. Tap on Lost Device Protection to access its settings. Now, inside this menu, you'll see an option labeled Find Hub. This is the central location for controlling how your device can be tracked and located remotely. Tap on Find Hub to continue. Here's where the main toggle is located. You'll see a setting that says Allow Device to be Located, and right beside it, there's a toggle button. This toggle controls whether Google's Find My Device service can track your phone's location. When this is turned on, you'll be able to see your phone's location on a map through your Google account, and you can even ring it, lock it, or erase it remotely if needed. To turn off this feature, simply tap the toggle button. It will switch to the off position, which means your device will no longer share its location with Google's Find My Device service. Keep in mind that while this might give you more privacy, it also means you won't be able to locate your phone if you lose it. Now, to turn it back on, just tap the toggle again. It will switch back to the on position, reactivating the location sharing and ensuring you have the ability to track your device whenever necessary. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable and disable Find My Device on your Google Pixel, giving you full control over your phone's location tracking settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.